what is happening in the world. Okay, because of that, because of that, because of those, this happened. But this is not absolute answer. But because we are very limited existence, nobody knows everything, and universe is huge. So this understanding helps us widen, getting more inclusive, more open mindset. I am very limited existence. It's very humble. After encountering with God, Job became more humble. All right, today we explore theology and two history views about evil. So Manichaeism and Augustine's viewpoint. Manichaeism is a dualism: God of evil, God of darkness, God of light. Augustine stands on monotheism. According to Augustine, what is the evil?
Absence of good.
Woo! Yes. Yes. Absence of good. Book of Job. God doesn't give a logical explanation to Job. God just gives God's pleasures. Honest wrestling is not faithfulness, it is faith.
So does that mean that questioning things is good? It's not necessarily. Okay.
It's good. It's
It is
good. Yeah.
It's okay. So it's not, because I always question everything. So that is not a bad thing.
That's
Well,
appropriate attitude to deepen our faith. So, how can I say?
This is the entity that's stalking by helicopter. This is the second time while you have Pastor Lee, and they're speaking about the depths of good and evil while he epitomizes evil. This is the fake son over the Bethel congregation, and he's engaged in psychological torture right through these walls, which is relevant positioning. The fake son is over me, and it is currently 10:51 a.m. This is going on the podcast, and this is why I started recording while they're engaged in psychological torture, and that is the U.S. military. Just like on Sunday when I'm walking out of this same door, and the U.S. military had a jet with regard to tracking my steps, and the people of the state are stalking in this parking lot as well. This is the entity that's engaged in that, and while in the midst of, what is it, Bible study, these are demons. This is criminal monitoring, this is ongoing conspiracy to murder, and it's harassment and psychological torture with the state, 10:51 a.m.
G-O-D. Before humanity, what was God doing? Is there any other life over the universe created by God?
Probably.
They know Jesus Christ?
Could be.
Questions. I believe that is good thing for our healthy face. All right, so any question, any comment? Next week, so we go further to see very up-to-date theological response to today's topic, the origin of evil. So next Tuesday, it might be very much challenging for you. So I'm gonna introduce very much radical theological perspectives. They might, but for sure, there is no absolute answer. There's no absolute answer. It's just introduction. So this is a history of theological debation.
I gotta take,
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay, any question? Any comment? Encountering with God. Job cannot explain by his language. By his language. So very often we cannot describe the moment of how much we love our sons and our feelings. That deep feeling, it is beyond our language.